Welcome to back my channel CarCrest, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews and in-depth details of the world's finest automobiles, including luxury cars, futuristic vehicles and technological marvels from around the globe. Today we are going to explore the all-new Rolls Royce Land Motorhome 2026, a true masterpiece of engineering, luxury and innovation that is set to redefine the future of premium mobile living. The Rolls Royce Land Motorhome 2026 is not just a vehicle, it is a moving palace that offers unmatched comfort, style and state-of-the-art features for those who seek perfection in every journey. Built on a highly advanced chassis platform, this luxury motorhome provides a smooth and stable ride on all terrains, ensuring a stress-free driving and living experience. The exterior design is elegant and imposing, with the signature Rolls-Royce grille, classic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem and carefully sculpted lines that give it an aura of prestige and grandeur. Under the hood, this luxury motorhome is powered by a high-performance V12 hybrid engine that delivers exceptional power and torque while ensuring fuel efficiency and low emissions. The advanced suspension system and intelligent all-wheel drive setup make sure that the motorhome glides effortlessly over highways, rough roads and even off-road tracks. This combination of power, refinement and adaptability makes the Rolls-Royce Land Motorhome 2026 one of the most capable and luxurious mobile homes in the world. Step inside and you are greeted with a lavishly appointed interior that rivals five-star hotels in terms of comfort and opulence. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, handcrafted wood veneers, ambient lighting and a customizable climate control system to suit every mood. The spacious living area includes a fully equipped kitchenette, luxurious sleeping quarters and a modern bathroom with top-class fittings. Every detail has been designed to offer a superior living experience on the move, from the plush seating arrangements to the high-tech entertainment system with large OLED displays and premium sound. The Rolls-Royce Land Motorhome 2026 also incorporates cutting-edge technology for safety, connectivity and convenience. It is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance and a 360-degree camera system to ensure maximum safety on every trip. The vehicle's smart infotainment system allows seamless integration with smartphones, tablets and other devices, providing entertainment and information at your fingertips. Remote control features through a dedicated app make it easy to monitor and adjust settings from anywhere. One of the standout aspects of this luxury motorhome is its energy efficiency and eco-friendliness. Thanks to its hybrid powertrain and solar charging capabilities, it offers extended range and reduced environmental impact, making it a responsible choice for modern luxury travelers. The noise insulation is excellent, ensuring a quiet, peaceful environment inside the cabin even when traveling at high speeds or on rough surfaces. In conclusion, the Rolls-Royce Land Motorhome 2026 is a symbol of automotive excellence, blending classic Rolls-Royce craftsmanship with futuristic technology and sustainable performance. It promises a travel experience like no other, perfect for those who demand the best in every aspect of their lives. This review is brought to you by Auto Mania, your trusted source for the latest car and motorhome reviews. If you enjoyed this video and want more exciting updates, reviews and features on the world's most luxurious vehicles, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay connected.